outside.
Oga, which style you want buy?
I want me you give me low cut.
Or skin?
Hey, you see what I dey talk now? I dey say low cut, dey talk skin cut.
Oga, no vex.
Don't do anyhow. They need to start you work.
Yeah. She's too hot, she's better than the rest. She's fire, she's hotter than the rest. She's too bad, no one can protect. She's casting commotion,
Baby, how far?
I do.
Babe, I for like me relate to.
Relate. Married woman. You dey see my ring.
Joe, you don't marry. After that one, you come. Now only you go be the only married woman for the world. Oh, carry you come out, make you go island, go enjoy yourself.
Where you want carry me go?
You see, Naija FM, they do Naija FM comedy jam. All the comedians wey you know for this world, they go dey there. Basketmouth, AY, Boovie, Ellen Paul, Akpororo, even confirm music from Casey, Emma, Chidima, Pino, and Olamide. 5 o'clock, December 15 for Muson Center. Ticket na 3,000 naira. Pam pam. Ma carry you go there, make you enjoy yourself.
But wait, we are going to one side they go.
You tell us say you dey go fellowship.
Fellowship.
Now fellowship. 18.
The thing be say you just turn yourself.
How?
Now they barb your hair for up so.